good afternoon. Or should I say good evening? When does evening start? I feel like 6, and it was good afternoon, you guys. It's currently 5:35. And I actually woke up like an hour ago, which was at 4. But in my defense, I woke up like at 11. And I wanted to go back to sleep because I was like, nah, I need to sleep. Like I need to sleep. So I fell back asleep around 1 and then woke up. I made some good food, but I had sweet potatoes. I didn't take a picture. I don't know how I'm grabbing my phone. But I had sweet potatoes with minced beef and cheese. It was actually really nice. In my head, that's healthy. Anyways, I'm just debating whether I should go to the gym. It's currently it's raining and it's cold, and I'm actually really tired. But I need to get to the gym. Maybe I should take a nap. I'm actually tired though. That's the thing. I'm actually tired. Don't be alarmed. This is ice cream, but it's like 90 calories, so it's actually healthy, but it's really nice. Yeah. What am I talking about? No, I'm trying to decide whether I should go gym or just start editing my stuff, because I'm trying to actually put out like Vlogmas for today out, the one that I did earlier this morning. I can't believe that story took 2 hours for me to take. What was I talking about? It should not have been that long, honestly, but it's what it is. I do want to end/start the week off on a banger. Like, go gym, come back, shower. But then that means that I won't really have time to start editing. And then to Monday is tomorrow, it's back to work, so I should have just got up when I woke up earlier and I would have had time to do all these things. But I was tired. I'm thinking. Okay. So I just said it's 5:40 right now. It's 5:38. What's 2 minutes? 5:40. If I got dressed to go, how many times have I been gym this week? Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. I've gone 3 days. It's supposed to be 4 or 5 days that I'm going in a week, so I feel like I have to go today. But I don't want to. I really don't. But what happened to all the motivation from I keep saying last night, but what happened to that? Like, what happened to I'm gonna be on it, See, this is what happens. You know when you decide to change your life at like 3 a.m. and then you wake up and it's like, okay, whatever that means. But no, I'm actually serious. So going to yeah, okay, I'm gonna go gym, but I'm gonna go and do a light session. Yeah, I'm gonna do a light session. You know, I'm actually not a fan of chocolate ice cream, but this is chocolate brownie ice cream, and it's actually really nice. I can't fault it. There was a honeycomb one, but Rich finished it. And literally just then, because I had to hide this one, and I was like to him, oh, I had to hide it, otherwise you would have eaten it. And then he goes, oh, it's chocolate. I wouldn't really get it, but he was like, if I really wanted it, I would have found it. I was with him. This kid pisses me off. Anyways, right. I was like, I'm talking, but I'm not saying anything. I'm just home butching nothing. But I really want to do Vlogmas. I actually want to be on it. So the plan of action is, I already briefly went over this yesterday, but not yesterday, this morning, but I'm gonna go over it again. It's the 7th, so this is like introduction to Vlogmas, even though it's the 7th. It's obviously the 7th, but starting tomorrow, I'm not gonna have time though, because I'm gonna be at work until, and then gym after work, and I literally don't get back till like 8. And by that point I'm knackered and I'm literally in bed. I shower and get to bed straight away. I make sure, guys, everything could be happening in my life, but I make sure that I'm getting a good amount of sleep. Like, I sleep so early. Like, I want to be asleep and in La La Land latest 10 o'clock. So this is gonna be hard, but it needs to be done. So I need to actually be filming, which is gonna be annoying. But the main thing is editing. I didn't know editing was so long, but it flipping is. And especially with me, I yap for hours, and it's like I have a lot of stuff to cut out because I'm just yapping. Flip's sake, I should stop talking so much, but clearly I can't. Anyways, it's fine. Okay, ice cream done. It's now 5:42. Am I really gonna go gym? Like, actually, like, theoretically speaking, is it smart to go to the gym today? You know what? I did go yesterday. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna go today. I'm gonna focus on editing my stuff because I've got a lot to edit. I feel like I always knew that this was gonna be the outcome, but I needed to do my hoopla first, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna make sure that I am at least editing some things, and then we'll go from there. I feel like I might show you guys some. Actually, no, it's really boring. It's just me on CapCut, just like this. I might do it on my iPad actually. So yeah, did this need to be 8 minutes of just talking but saying nothing? Okay, no, I was giving you that, guys, the schedule. So I want to do more story times. I don't know why I'm laughing. I'm just thinking like all the stories I can say. I wanna start, like, I actually want to use December to do things and to go places, but I know me, and I know that, like, I know that, like, I'm just gonna be like, nah. I have all these ideas and stuff right now, but when it comes to actually, you know, doing them, sorry, suddenly I am unavailable and suddenly I can't move. So yeah, that's not good. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now, and what I will do is I will start editing. I need to actually watch it back and see the things that need to be cut, and then start editing. I mean, that's part of the editing process. Anyways, this has been a cute little Vlogmas intro. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 8. Yay! And I actually need to start putting out, like, my already existing content. I need to put out, yeah, I already told you, so I'm gonna leave you here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. It is currently 6:46. I've only just now downloaded everything because it was taking a long time to download from the camera to my phone, which is to be expected. One of them is literally 75 minutes. So, okay. It's fine though. I'm trying to 7th of the 1st. Remove the plan. Actually, no. I want the plan. I'm trying to get Now TV because I need to finish this thing. I need to finish All Her Fault. I don't have Now TV though, so I actually need to get it. I'm gonna do the free trial for a month because I literally only need it to finish that, and then I'm gonna cancel it because I don't use Now TV. Like I'm not, honestly, you guys, I'm not really a series watcher. I don't know if I've mentioned this before. Like, I'm really not. So when I get put onto a show, I'm like, yeah, it's cool, I can watch it, but then I always just end up watching like my 2-3 shows that I just watch on repeat. But yeah, I need to get it. I'm just yapping for the sake of yapping, but I'm gonna download this and actually start editing. I think I'm gonna do the story time first. I started watching it back just then. I'm just laughing because I'm like, bro, it did not need to take me that long to actually tell that story, but I wanted to make sure like the parts were parting and like you understand the journey as to how I got to where I got to and why it hurt a lot. But it's fine. Anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm going to, yeah. Is it 7 days trial or is it a month? What I'm paying today, I should not be paying £4.99 today if it's free for a month. What is going on? Do I really need to watch this bad to pay £4.99? I'm not gonna lie, like this £4.99 will hurt me. No, I don't care enough. I'll get spoiled. I'll like search for spoilers on TikTok because, or YouTube even. Anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm actually gonna start. I'm feeling a bit peckish now actually, so maybe I'll get some. I feel like I'm really just doing everything but editing. Oh, and it's another thing that I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna add to this Vlogmas is making sure that like every single day I'm doing my driving theory. I was doing it, like there was a time where like I was actually on it because my friend was helping me out and they were making sure that like I was getting the theory done, and then I fell off. But now I'm gonna get back on it and I'm going to make sure like every single day I'm revising because the driving theory is not going to learn itself, you know. Someone's not going to just take the information and put it in my head. Like, no, it doesn't work like that. I'm gonna have to put in the effort if I actually want to start driving and if I want to stop being an Uber warrior, because Uber actually take most of my money these days, and trains. Anyways, I'm actually gonna stop talking and I'm gonna start editing. Hopefully by tomorrow latest I should be done editing the whole thing and the whole story time. I actually want to finish it by tonight, but I know that's not gonna happen, so yeah. Anyways, I will see you in the next. I feel like this will be it for tonight because honestly I don't see myself coming back and trying to yap, because if I actually come back and yap, I'll be yapping. So yeah, that's it for Vlogmas. Technically day 1 for me, but it's day 7. Actually, I don't want to call it Vlogmas because it's not for Christmas. I'll say Vlogcember because it's December. So instead of Vlogmas, this is Vlogcember because yeah, I don't want to attach to Christmas because honestly, guys, Christmas this year is going to be passing me by because I don't even remember the last time like I felt giddy about Christmas. Plus this year everybody is getting a high five and a handshake from me because I have literally have nothing else to offer other than that. So yeah, anyways, like I said, I'm gonna stop, and I'll see you bright and early for Vlogcember, for Vlogcember day 2 or day 8. Anyways, bye.